How to check your oil, and it is easy. First thing, open your bonnet. You do know how to open your bonnet, don't you? Okay, well there's a tutorial on that as well. Have the car warm, because the oil needs to circulate round, and then on a flat surface, leave it to sit for 5 minutes so all the oil drains back into the sump or the bottom of the engine. What you're looking for is the dipstick, because that measures how much oil there is in the engine. It's usually a brightly colored stick coming out the engine like this. Pull it out and then wipe it. Stick it back in. The oil level should be between these two marks on the dipstick. And this graded section is where you need to kind of fill it up to. So that's add oil desperately, and that is full, don't add any more. So if it's somewhere between there, you need to fill it up. And to find out what grade of oil your car needs, because they're all different, and there's a furlong of different oil specifications, just put your registration number into Google, into one of those oil sites, and it will tell you exactly what grade of oil you need. And you can buy these from supermarkets, you can buy them from garages. We need to open the oil filler cap. Here it is, and it's got a symbol on it, an oil can. We don't want you putting it in the windscreen washer reservoir, the radiator coolant expansion tank, or the brake fluid. That would be catastrophic. So once you've found out where the oil filler cap is, undo it. Here we go, that's quite clean, obviously had quite a bit of maintenance. Give it a wipe, get rid of any grit. Give this a wipe as well. We don't want any bits of grit getting into the engine. And then with a funnel and your oil can. And remember, with oil cans, they've got this little plastic ring on the bottom, which if you're not aware of, can actually fall into the engine with, again, catastrophic results. So this one's fixed, but on some they're not, so take it off before you start to pour it in. So we take our funnel, and you don't want oil all spilling around here because it'll just burn off and make smoke and be a waste. So we pour it in a bit at a time. Not too much, because overfilling an engine is as bad as having not enough oil in it, because you can blow the seals from too much pressure. So just gently pour in a bit at a time, and then go back to the dipstick, check it until you see that the level is right up to the mark on the dipstick, which it is now. So give it a final wipe, pop it back in, oil filler cap on till it clicks, very important, because you don't want oil coming up out of here, because again it would ruin your engine. Now I can't overemphasize the importance of doing this on a regular basis, and do not wait for the lights on your dashboard to come on, because by that time it will be too late and your engine will be toast. If you've got an older car, check it as regularly as once a week. And if you're using, say, more than a litre every couple of weeks, there could be something very serious wrong with the engine. So go and seek expert advice. But there it is, absolutely simple. Anybody could do it, even my Aunt Agatha.